this is historical. We've never seen anything like it. So such a large portion who doesn't have flood insurance and won't get any help from the government. So it's churches and people helping people that's going to make the difference.
80% of the people that flooded have no flood insurance because this was, as you said, these are areas that have never flooded before. So when you consider that that's the biggest investment that people make with their lives is their homes, they're gone. And so giving them hope, Franklin coming down, other ministries that are your convoy of hope, and all the other ministries, and then you actually coming here when our president was too busy on vacation.
Take pictures with us. We knew you'd be here, Mr. Trump. Mr. Trump! Mr. Trump! Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Mr. Trump! Mr. Trump! Mr. Trump! Mr. Trump! Mr. Trump!
We lost everything, but we knew you would come. This makes it all worthwhile.
For America! Mr. Trump! Mr. Trump, why did you come, Mr. Trump? Why did you want to come here?
We love you. We love you.
Are you okay? Are you all right? What's your message to Louisiana?
Come eat supper.
Help out everybody.
Mr. Trump.
This is my wife.